Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to do question number 11. So let us start. Part A. Find the size of an exterior angle of a regular polygon with 18 sides. So exterior angle would be equal to 360 degrees by n. So here n is equal to 18 and therefore exterior angle that is required is equal to 360 degrees divided by 18, which is nothing but 20 degrees. Straightforward application of the formula. Exterior angle is 360 by n. Interior angle is 2n minus 360 overall divided by n. Okay. Now for the B part. In the triangle ACD, B lies on AC and E lies on AD such that BE is parallel to CD. BE is parallel to CD, and so by basic proportionality theorem or BPT, we can say triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. The smaller one is similar to the bigger one. Now since these two are parallel, we can say that these two angles are equal. Then these two angles are equal and this angle is common. So they are similar. And so once they are similar, ABE, ACD, that's it. The problem is almost solved. So once they are similar, what will happen? AB by AC will be equal to BE by CD. This will be equal to AE divided by AD. Now we just need one pair. So what do we know? So it is given that AE is equal to 5.2 centimeters and ED is equal to 2.6 centimeters. So AD will be equal to AE plus ED, which is 5.2 centimeters plus 2.6 centimeters, and this will be equal to 7.8 centimeters. So therefore BE divided by CD, which is 6.75, is equal to 5.2 divided by 7.8, and 5.2 divided by 7.8 is 2 by 3. So therefore BE is equal to 6.75 into 2 by 3. 3 goes in 6.75, 2.25 times, so 2.25 into 2, 4.5 centimeters. And this is a pretty straightforward question. Looking at the picture itself, you can see that they are similar, and so the basic point where students get confused is this idea of adding AE and ED together to get AD. This might not come to all the students, but be careful in these types of questions. Okay, so let us go to the third question. C, two solids are mathematically similar. The smaller solid has a height 2 centimeters and volume 32 centimeter cube. The larger solid has volume 780 centimeter cube. Calculate the height of the larger solid. So for the larger solid, let the height h1 be h and v1 is equal to 780 centimeter cube. For the smaller solid, h2 is equal to 2 centimeters and v2 is equal to 32 centimeter cube. Now what do we know? In math, similar solids, what is the rule? v1 by v2 is equal to m by n whole cube and h1 by h2 is equal to m by n. So therefore v1 by v2 is equal to h1 by h2 whole cube. So therefore 2 by h2 whole cube, or h1 is h by 2 whole cube is equal to 780 by 32, and so h by 2 would be cube root of 780 by 32. H would be 2 into cube root of 780 by 32 in centimeters. And if I calculate this value will come out to be 5.798889999 and so on. And so if I round it off to 4 significant figures, the answer would be 5.799 centimeters. Okay, or I can also write 5.80 by rounding it off to 3 significant figures. So this completes the question. Again, the most important point to remember, if the scale is m/n, then the areas would be m by n whole square and volumes would be m by n whole cube, and applying that directly. Okay, so now let us go to question number D. PQ is parallel to RS, PNS is a straight line, and N is the midpoint of RQ. Explain giving reasons why triangle PQN is congruent to triangle SRN. So here PQ is parallel to RS and PS is the transversal. So what will happen? That implies angle QPN is equal to angle NSR because they are alternate angles. Again, PQ is parallel to RS and RQ is the transversal. So in this case, angle PQN is equal to angle NRS. Again, they are alternate. And what else do we know? Angle RNS is equal to angle PNQ because they are vertically opposite angles. So all the three angles are equal. And then what do we know? We know Rn is equal to NQ because N is the midpoint of RQ. So therefore, all the three angles are equal and one side is equal. So therefore, triangle PQN is congruent to triangle SRN by ASA theorem. Right? Two angles and one side. Any two angles and one side. They are congruent. So as soon as you can say Rn is equal to NQ, they become congruent. That's it. This completes the question. So let us meet in another video.